I cannot believe that I nearly gave that up for what if. If you are new here, hey, I'm Denis, and this is my sidekick Toothless. And we are on a quest to learn how to capture the stories of life and share them with the world. Alongside of my friends David, Martin and Honza, we decided to go on a road trip to Croatia. And this is the day 3, where we visited the beautiful city of Korčula. If I can tell you one thing about me, it's that I always worry. I worry about if this shot is good enough or is the sound good enough. But one question creates the most anxiety of them all. Do I break any laws when I let Toothless fly around? And on this day in Croatia, I stood face to face with that fear. But first, let us get to the location that we want to capture. The day started with something really dear to me. I just love cats.
Yeah.
We go to this bakery and grab a little something to snack on and headed to buy the tickets for a speedboat to Korčula.
Kam ti říkal, že přistává?
Tam.
Jsi taky natočit jdeme?
Můžeš.
So now, when we wait for the speedboat, let me introduce you to tool number 1 that helps me overcome my fear of flying with Toothless in public. Quite simply, it's a drone license. Same as you do have driving license for your car, you should have a driving license for your drone. It's a test that verifies that you understand what it means to fly a drone and the laws that are involved with that. So drone license with a lot of practice helps me to face the fear just a little bit, but the tools stack up.
But the main question is where the speedboat is. Right?
Speedboat that comes late. How ironic. At this point I knew that there is no way back. We are on a boat, Toothless in a backpack, and I knew we had only one chance to do this. Look at that, the birthplace of Marco Polo himself. We have 3 things to do here. First, explore. We want to see what Korčula has to offer. Second, lunch. Easier said than done, I'll explain when we get to it. And number 3, you already know, fly with Toothless and hopefully capture something that we're gonna be able to share with the world.
No hubiera pensado que yo me iba a enamorar, jamás no quería saber nada más, nunca más, pero vos.
Fun fact about Korčula city, the streets are designed like fish bones. It's designed like that to provide protection from a strong wind. Also, they are slightly downwards to allow a cool breeze flowing through them when it's summer. Even though it was quite warm outside, it didn't feel so warm within the city. That was pretty cool.
Admirarte, ay amor, no te preocupes, lo que siento yo por vos es cada vez más fuerte. Yo pensaba que esto del amor ya se me había pasado y que no era para mí nunca nunca más. Pero el amor llega así, de esa manera, cuando uno menos se lo espera. Se abrió la puerta y sin pensar dejas entrar el amor. No te preocupes, que yo siempre de quererte, de amarte y admirarte. Ay, amor, no te preocupes, lo que siento yo por vos es cada vez más fuerte. Ahora todo tiene sentido, esto es lo mejor que he vivido. Por si no lo has comprendido, me quedo contigo. Ay, amor, no te preocupes, que yo siempre de quererte, de amarte y admirarte. Ay, amor, no te preocupes, lo que siento yo por vos es cada vez más fuerte.
And as I mentioned before, the legend says that
Marco
Polo.
was born here. In the spirit of Marco Polo, we also explored the quality of coffee in Korčula, and the findings were that it was indeed truly delicious. Before we check that one off, I need to thank my friends. I need to thank them for being so patient with me. They always adjust the selection of restaurants to accommodate me. Even better, every time when we go to a restaurant, David says that I'm vegan. On his own, I never ask him to do that, but I do enjoy the privilege of not being the stereotypical vegan who always needs to mention that I'm vegan. So boys, děkuji. I see what you're doing and I greatly appreciate it. I do understand that sometimes it can be quite annoying. Okay, now let us finally enjoy this delicious homemade pomodoro pasta and even better this homemade vegetable soup. It is vegan, David asked.
Jednou jsem si to dal. Musíme koupit chleba. Koupíme chleba, no. Nebo si dát zkusit. Cibulku nakrájíme. Jo.
We have a little bit of time now. So let me introduce you the tool number 2 that helps me face the fear of flying in public. And it is, drumroll, Drone Maps. You probably don't see, let me just record the screen. Each country probably has one. It can be an app or a website. And it's a map that you can see here that shows you where you can fly, where you cannot fly, all that jazz. Korčula is right here. And there is no restriction at all on Korčula city, which is awesome. I did confirm with AI as well, just to be sure. When we were finishing the lunch, I must say that not only homemade pasta was filling my stomach, but alongside of that was a lot of stress. thoughts were running through my head. Thoughts like, what if there will be too many people? What if someone will call the police? What if I will just not be able to do it? I should probably just give up and let it go. Tool number 3. When I put the goggles on my face, everything gets quiet. There is no past, no future, no fear. There is just this one moment.
Dime a dónde vas y en qué pensás. Tu alma está perdida, ya dejaste de soñar, cansada de andar, de no poder parar. Tus ojos se ven tristes, ya no sirve ni llorar. El sol volverá y te iluminará. Las nubes se irán y todo cambiará. Dime a dónde vas y en qué pensás. Tu vida destruida se ve imposible reparar. Cuanto más vas a aguantar para poder respirar el frío de la noche, ya no lo sientes más. Va a amanecer, 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 va a amanecer.
And what if we are able to do something beautiful that we can share with the world? That answer is worth all the worries, all the stress, and all the preparations. And here we are again, in the end of the episode. If you enjoyed it and want to support me on my creative journey, subscribing is an amazing way to do that. One of my goals is to hit 100 subscribers to get even a little bit closer to fulfilling my dream of capturing the stories of life full time. If you got to this point of the episode, comment down below the helicopter emoji so I know that you belong into the 20% group of amazing people. And as always, it was my pleasure to spend my time with you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
TVD.